After much frustration with my Lennox iComfort Wi-Fi thermostat, I'm trying to replace it with a Lennox ComfortSense 7500 thermostat. The old thermostat has 3 wires, C, I plus and R. The C and R wires are easy to install on the new thermostat, but what terminals do I connect the I and I plus to? Thanks.
Have you replaced your Lennox thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
No. The unit is 4 years old and we have replaced the thermostat twice under warranty. Not paying $740 now that it's no longer covered. It's a piece of shit.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
About 1 year after the whole system was replaced. The thermostat keeps dying.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Please read entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Vay, got over 10 years in the trade, and I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want that service. Please bear with my responses, I may be actively working on the job site also. There may be a slight delay in between our messages. Hope you're doing well today. What terminals does the new thermostat use? If it's like R, Y, G, C, W, Y etc. then it won't work. You are a communicating system thermist, I plus and IR for Lennox's communication module. You are using a communicating system.
The new thermostat is a Lennox ComfortSense 7500 which I was told would be compatible. The new unit has DC, 2, H, D, W2, Y2, O, B, C, G, W1, Y1, R. If this unit is not compatible, can you recommend one that is?
Sure. Can you give me the numbers on the old thermostat? If I am not mistaken, there are 2 versions of the 7500, one for a normal hookup, the other for the comm system.
The old unit says iComfort Wi-Fi catalog number 10F81, part 103,445-04. Can't find any other numbers.
1 second. Do you like the look of the S30? I think it's either that or go back with the same one you had.
Both are expensive and have bad reviews. I guess I'm stuck, which is what Lennox wants. Thanks for trying.
Yeah, that's the problem with these comm systems. You can always rip that crap out, remove the comm module, and run new thermostat wire. Then you can use any thermostat you want. Maybe a consideration for the future. I hope I was helpful and kind today. If you don't mind, please take a few seconds of your time and remember to rate the question positively with the stars on the top left. There should be an option that says something along the lines of finish and rate your expert. Completing the rating credits me for answering you, but it does not close the question. You can ask follow questions after rating my services in the same box free of charge with no time constraints. Thanks and have a blessed and safe day, Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.